Good morning, everybody. It's time for Kids Camp, Backyard Bootcamp. It's a little damp today, but that's not going to stop us from getting in some movement. So you don't have to be outside. You can totally be indoors where it's nice and dry. I decided, I do love a good theme. Today's Cinco de Mayo, by the way. That means we should eat tacos today, right? I love a theme. As you know, I was a school teacher, and I'm a long time ago, and now fitness coach, and I love children's books. And good morning, Courtney. Love children's books, love reading, actually love to color. And so when I saw this book sitting at my house, I thought, you know what, we're going to do I want to show you how you can take a book and turn something as simple as a book that says nothing about exercise into a workout. And I have a color-coded workout for you today. So will you play along with me? Will you read along with me? I'm going to read you the Crayons Book of Colors from the creators of the #1 best-selling The Day the Crayons Quit by Drew Daywalt, I think that says, and Oliver Teffers. So let's read, shall we? We're going to read the book, and then we're going to take all the colors from the book and all the beginning letters. So red starts with R, and we're going to do an exercise that starts with R, and then purple, an exercise that starts with P. All right, you ready? The Crayons Book of Colors. Can you name the colors of Duncan's crayons? This is red crayon. I hope you can see this okay. Yeah, you can. Red crayon has colored strawberries, hearts, apples, a fire engine, and Santa Claus. I don't know about you, but we like to talk about Santa Claus year-round at our house. This is purple crayon. Purple crayon has colored a dragon and some grapes. This is beige crayon. Beige crayon only colors wheat. This is gray crayon. Gray crayon has colored a rhino, a hippo, and an elephant. And a baby penguin, right there. This is white crayon. Can you see him? White crayon has colored a cat in the snow. I think that's my favorite page. This is black crayon. Black crayon has colored beach balls and rainbows. I would never think of using a black crayon to color beach balls and rainbows. I think of those being very colorful things, but you know what? It works, right? This is green crayon. Green crayon has colored a dinosaur, a tree, a frog, and a bug. This is yellow crayon. Yellow crayon has colored the sun. I like this page too. And this is orange crayon. Orange crayon has also colored the sun. Two different kinds of suns, but they totally work. How do you draw your sun? I like to put lines on mine. This is blue crayon. Blue crayon has colored an ocean, clouds, rain, and a river. This is pink crayon. Pink crayon has colored a princess, but would like to color a monster, and a dinosaur, and a cowboy. So he's saying, yeah, I colored a princess, but I really want to color those things too in pink. This is peach crayon. Peach crayon hasn't decided what to color yet, or what to draw yet. Whoops, we got somebody starting up a vehicle right outside. Look, Duncan has colored a new picture. Can you name the colors? Oh, you all of the colors, and I have named the colors. It's backwards to you, I know, but I'm going to take a picture of this and put it in the comments so that maybe when you're coloring today, you can say, oh yeah, here's my red crayon. Here's the exercise that Coach Allison said we could do for that exercise. So here's what we got going on today. Colors, beginning sounds, movement, a great book. Did you like the book? I sure did. So the very first color that they talked about in the book is red. So we are going to run. Everything we're going to do it 20 times today, okay? 20, just the number that I picked from the sky. So for red, we're going to run. Are you ready? 20 counts of running. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can get your heels up, or you can just run fast feet, and I'm going to say that's 20 counts. Purple, it starts with the letter P. I say we punch, because punch starts with P. 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Beige was next. It said beige colored, the color beige drew wheat. Well, beige starts with B, and B starts with burpee, and Bowling Green Backyard Bootcampers love burpees. Kind of. So we're going to do burpees. You're going to put your hands down on the floor. You're going to pop your feet out, and maybe you just put your hands on a chair and push your feet out. let me tell you something. We're not gonna do 20 of these. We'll cut these in half. They're a little bit more challenging. If you feel like doing more, you most definitely can. So I'm gonna go down to the ground. I'm gonna pop my feet out, pop my feet in, and jump up. Can you do that? Let's do it 9 more times. Pop my feet out, pop my feet in, jump up. Here's 3, jump up, and 4, jump up. If that doesn't work for you, you can walk it out. You can put your hands on something to bring the floor up to you. We're gonna say we have 3 more. We're gonna say we have 2 more. And we're gonna say we have 1 more. Burpees can be tough. Gray starts with G. We're gonna do ground taps for the letter G. You're gonna get down and touch the ground is the goal. 20 of these, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can't get down that low, no worries. But if you can, get on down there. Let's do 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. What comes next? After gray was white. White starts with W. Windmills start with W. Take your arms out, bend over, touch your opposite toe. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Guess what? 9, 10 means we're halfway there. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6. You're still going, right? 5, 4. Getting strong. 3. Talking about beginning sounds too. Strong and smart. Because we got to work that brain muscle too. W was white and windmills. B, black. Big circles. Those are big circles with your arms. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These exercises work for any age. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Give me a high five. Right there. We're going now to the color green. Green starts with G. The exercise I came up with that starts with G, we're going to call them get-overs. We do that at boot camp. So I'm going to take my mat and I'm going to lay it just like this, and I'm going to get over my mat. You might have a stuffed animal. You might have a line in your tile floor. You can make anything your get over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to go. Here's 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. After green was the color yellow. Guess what? You get to choose. Why for you? So your choice. Do you want to run, punch, do those burpees, ground taps, windmills, big circles, or the get-overs? You get to choose something that we've already done. I'm going to go back to the run, but you choose what you're going to do. I'm going to count out 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, you had lots of options. You could do those ground taps. You could do those big arm circles. You could do punches. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Your choice is done. That was for Y, yellow. Now we're to the color orange. Orange starts with O. My dad always had a joke. What rhymes with orange? Can you think of anything? Orange starts with O, overhead presses. Now listen, if you've got something to hold on to press over your head to give you a little bit of weight to work with, I say go for it. I'm looking around and I don't really have anything except a plant, and it's wet, but I'm going to use it anyway. You could use a stuffed animal, or you don't have to use anything at all. 20 of these, go. 1, 2, 3. This shows you 4. I didn't have a plan for what my weight was going to be. You can pick up anything. Maybe you've got, I don't know, a book sitting close by. Pick up the book and press it. Again, maybe you don't have anything. Then you just push your arms up without anything. How about we do another 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, green, or we already did green. We did orange just then for overhead presses. Now we're gonna go blue. Blue starts with B. Bear walks start with B. So I need you to go back down to the ground and you're gonna walk like a bear. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe your bear is like this. You don't have to go down to the ground. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Roar was your bear, loud and mean. Blue, bear walks. We've got 2 colors left, you all. We have pink and we have peach. Both of those start with the letter P. I have power hops and then push-ups. So let's do those power hops. You're going to get into a little bit of a squat position and just hop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Would you look at this? We're also adding and counting this morning. 2, 3, 4. You didn't know you were going to come to school with me. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Push-ups. That was pink. Power hops. Our last color from this book was the color peach. And peach, wasn't that the answer that, or the peach had not decided what to color yet. Well, I've decided we're going to do push-ups for peach. So push-ups can be done a variety of ways. You can go down to your hands and knees. You can put your hands on a table. You can put your hands on an ottoman. You can do it a variety of ways. I'm going to go down to my mat because I have one here. We have 20 push-ups. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Down you go. And here are your options. Hands and knees. Walk it out above your kneecaps, or who's going to try on their toes? 20 of these. This is your last exercise together with me today. Let's do it. 1, 2. How low do you have to go? Wherever you feel it. 5. I like to tell people to get as low as they can. 6, 7, 8, 9. You can totally be right here. 10. You can even be right here. Bring the table up to you. 6 more. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Guess what, friends? You just took one book with lots of fun colors. We read the book. We assigned an exercise per color. We counted. We did beginning sounds. We got our bodies moving, and I think we deserve a big high five. So put your hand up. Give me a high five. Keep moving today. Remember what I always say. Try to eat a vegetable today. It'll do you good. Drink some water. Keep a smile on your face, and I'll see you next week.